so they win it every single week. So the Z83, we're using the new Z83 as per the notice that was issued. Notice source. So we're using the new Z83. Excuse me. So the new Z83, we wanna go initials, and then you also see it with the additional questions here. There's additional questions that were not on the old Z83. So please use the new Z83 and follow these rules of how they're saying what you must fill it in. Some of the sections are not, you don't need to fill in, but others it's must be completed, declaration you sign. So let's go to the vacancies, which are Z83. Let's close this. Let's go to the circular. So the circular, let's start at home. From home, you'll see on the right, there's the quick links. So in a public service vacancy, there you can go at the latest one. Latest right now is 3 November, so it is 42. Should do all the way up to number 1 of 2025. So right now we're in circular 42. We're going to use this as an example. You can either open the provincial administration or the national department. So depending on your pick and choosing or your specialty or expertise, you can choose either one. They have a WhatsApp channel, but we are now going to go to the document. Those ones are some of these rules that they mentioned in that other form. So if you know what type of job you're looking for and you just need to search, let's say you say Control F. So from your Control F, you now search for either example tutorial. I know it's the capital of the government. Oh, I didn't spell it right. See, already so many. Oh, let's say another small town. Let's say a small town, Is there? Yeah, see, look at that. Gianni. No Gianni. Okay, so maybe not that's okay. You saw what I mean, right? So first you want to go. Let's use the second option. Second option is with your qualification. Let's say you got an LLB. Options. You got options. Let's say you didn't just do an LLB. Say you got yourself a diploma in marketing. Other qualifications. You see? Yeah, there you go. Requirements, marketing. So let's say you didn't just do that. Let's say you studied something much more like computer science. Computer science. See? Literally, you can search by location, search by qualification. And the last one that I'm going to show you, you can search by the name or the position. See here? So you can also come up with your own ways of searching by reference numbers. If you spot it somewhere on the way or somebody sent you a screenshot, you can use that to search for it, whether it is in this circular to specifically identify it. So those are my preferred 3 methods: by location, by qualification, and by the name of the position. So that's how I usually search, and then from there, let's say I would like to be a Deputy Director of Information and Communications Technology. See, ooh, very nice, 896 per annum. So first look at what are the qualifications, what are the requirements. They require me to have a national diploma or a degree in IT or computer studies or related. 5 years working experience in IT, of which 3 years must be in management and supervisory. So now you go to your CV. You gotta get into what that they're asking you. See, so you go to your CV. CV, which one do I? Yeah, okay, good. Go to the next one. They also say, would like somebody with knowledge and qualification in a recognized framework in ICT, if you have experience in control and monitoring and budget. Yeah, IT budget. Okay. Deputy director. Aha. You see. So you read all this. These are points that they're informing you that when you present your CV attached to your ZDD3, these are the points that would like you to meet the requirements. You must meet this. Then from there they take your CV to the next stage. These are the duties that you'll be performing. So this is, if you have inquiries, contact. Every advert that I've ever seen for a job has like a dedicated person for inquiries. This post, as you can see, they're saying can also be emailed. So you don't need to do soft copy. You can just email this. And I wonder, or what are they saying about the ZDD3 and the copies? So applications must be submitted on the new prescribed ZDD3 obtained from the DPSA recruitment office. So local government office, you can get a ZDD3 there. Police station, I'm not sure if all of them still do, but I believe that if you make time, go there, ask nice. I'm sure that certain police stations, or even speaking to one of the persons that works there and asking kindly, I'm sure that a ZDD3 can be, a copy of a ZDD3 can be provided to you. So in this one, they're saying that the applicants are not required to submit. Yeah, we'll save a challenge, saving money. So you're not required to submit copies of qualifications and other relevant on applications, but submit a fully completed ZDD3 and a detailed CV indicating the positions held, dates, and key performance areas and responsibilities. Only shortlisted candidates will be required to submit certified documents on or before the day of the interviews, following communication from the department. Failure to do so, or failure to submit the requested documents information, will result in application not being considered. So thank you Department of Government Civilian Secretariat for Police Service. So this is just an example to tell you, to guide you when you're busy looking around for an advertisement or a job vacancy on the government website, on the DPSA circular. This is how you find certain positions. This is how you do your searching, in your routine for searching. This is how you identify positions. Let me start first by places. Start searching, type the place. Once you're done identifying which post, then you go search again, then you search again. Or if you have ample time to go through on this circular, it has 231 pages. So if you have the time to go through 231 pages, go for it. Yeah, it will be quite an exercise. So otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Sharp.